Hello friends, how are you doing? My name is Atanude. Welcome to my YouTube channel B2M, Beginner to Maestro. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about basics of Python, like variable and operators. If you are visiting first time in the channel, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the related videos of this series. Variable means creating a house on empty land. It means it's allocating a space on memory. Means when you are creating a variable, you are reserving a space on memory. For example, this is a memory space. When you are creating a variable, then one of the cell of this memory space will be reserved. For example, when you are creating a variable a, then a is occupying this space. This is reserved by you. Based on types of variable, interpreter allocate memory and decide what can be stored. Variable can be many types. Python do not need any explicit declaration. The declaration automatically happen when you assign some value to a particular variable. Let's assume a is a variable and you want to store a value 1. That means type of a variable will be int, because 1 is a number but the type of number is integer. That's why the variable type is also will be integer. Similarly, if another variable is b and you are passing value like 1.5, this is a float value, then type of variable will be float. Similarly, another variable will be c, like you are passing any name. I am passing my name, Atanu. Now the type of c variable will be string. That is how variable types are declared when you are assigning any value. Here equal sign is used to assign a value into a variable. So far you have seen the single assignment. Now I will show you multiple assignment. That means if you have the variable a equal to b equal to c equal to 1, that means you are assigning the value 1 in these three different variables, like a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1. Another multiple assignment operation is a comma b comma c is equal to 1 comma 1.5 comma Atanu. So that means you are assigning this value to this variable, this value to this variable and this value to this variable. That means a equal to 1, b equal to 1.5 and c equal to Atanu. Operator is nothing but calculation, like arithmetic operation, logical operation, comparison, so on and so forth. For Python, we have so many types of operators, like arithmetic operators, comparison, assignment, logical and bitwise. In the time of operation, we'll call each variable as operand. For arithmetic operations, like you have a value a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. Now we can do the operation like c equal to a plus b. That means the value of c will be 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. This 5 value is coming from this place and this 6 value is coming from this place. You have already assigned 5 value to the variable a and 6 to the variable b. So that is why the value is coming from this place to here, and after the arithmetic operation happening, the total value of c will be 11. Similarly, many other operations can be possible in arithmetic operations, like subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent. Comparison operators are used when you want to compare two different variables or operands. For example, a equal to 5 and b equal to 6, and you want to check whether a is less than b or not. So now 5 less than b, like 6 or not. Yes, it is true. So this is the comparison operator. Apart from this, we have many other comparison operators like greater than, less equal to, greater equals to, not equals to. All these are different types of comparison operators. Already we know one assignment operator, which is equals to. So now if you write a equals to 1, that means you are assigning value 1 to a variable a, right? Apart from this, we have many other operators like plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, and division equals to. So what does it mean? For example, if we consider plus equals to, that means a plus equals to 1, which indicates a equal to a plus 1. So if you consider like you have already one value in a, so now the new value will become a equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2. So now a will have new value 2. In the similar way, if you consider the subtraction operation, so then a equals minus equals to 1. That means a is equal to a minus 1, right? That means if you consider like you have already value 1 minus 1, so the new value become 0, a equal to 0. That is how other operation multiplication equals to and division equals to will also be operate. Logical operator mainly perform with comparison operators. When more than one comparison operator is happen and it take help of logical operators. For example, we have two different variables, 5, a equals to 5, b equals to 6. So the comparison operator already we have seen, like you want to check whether a less than b, right? So if we have one more variable called c equal to 8. Now if we perform two operations like a and c also, a less than c, and if we want to check so whether a is less than b and less than c, then only a certain thing will happen. So we are comparing both the thing, and logical operation will perform in between both the comparison operators. So here AND will play a role. So AND is nothing but logical operator. So apart from AND, we have OR, NOT, these two others logical operators. Bitwise operation perform bit by bit. For example, a variable a contain value 60 and variable b equal to 13. So when you convert this value to a binary number, now the 60 is converted to this and the 13 is converted to this. So now bit by bit operation will happen when we will give the command. So like a and b, so that time AND operation will perform bit by bit, logical AND operation. That means 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, that is 0, that is 0. In the similar way, if we perform OR operation, a OR B. So now bitwise OR operation will happen 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. So that is how bitwise operation happen.